Are you videotaping that? I hope. Good.
He was getting mad one day, and he just could not quite get mad.
How did you teach him that? Like, how did you keep doing that?
Because he got mad once and he couldn't stop just trying to break out and crying. He could have cracked him up.